Hi, I'm Jeff Whitehead. I normally make Charleston guitars, but today I made something a little different. A do-it-yourself mask. Now, do-it-yourself masks are the masks of last resort, we know that, but it might be the only thing some people have, and it certainly is better than nothing. If you have a t-shirt, some rubber bands, a scissors, and a 3D printer, this works. It consists of very simple parts with no moving parts, and is very easy to put on and off. So if you're a maker and you want to make one for yourself and hopefully for your friends and neighbors, please go to my website. You can download the STL, you can download the directions, they're all there. Go to charleston.guitars, and I hope this helps. Thank you.